Okay, hey everybody, Dan Fitzpatrick here at stockmarketmentor.com. Just a real quick one, because frankly, I've been working all day long sitting in my chair and my butt's kind of sore. Okay, so I'm going to make this quick. Mercury Computer Systems, aerospace and defense. Great company. Nothing wrong at all with the fundamentals of the stock, of the company. They've had quite a turnaround over the last year or so, and so I like the fact that this is kind of climbing out of a pile of rubble here. It's a little bit volatile. You can see like super big spikes, and the spikes tend to be on earnings, like big old spikes here. I'll bring market surge down. You can see here, big EPS, wham, EPS big time here, EPS here, boom, big time here. So the big moves come on earnings, and over the last 3 quarters, they've been to the upside. You can see it. You can see it here. So we don't have earnings for a while, and so the way I see it is this stock is going to kind of be in the process if history repeats itself, and it always does until it doesn't. But the way I see it is this stock is going to continue to kind of be setting itself up in order to kind of form a springboard, so to speak, for this next move higher here in another couple months even. So I like the way this is trading. What I would suggest doing if you're in this stock is make sure you define your risk. Like in this case, I would be using this low here, this intraday low on the 25th of 41.92. So I'd be looking at this like 41.90 even. Like that would be my drop dead date. I'm out of here. I'm wrong on the stock. But if that risk is okay for you, then you can just be hanging on to the stock. Hopefully you're going to get a little lift to the upside. If you want an even tighter stop, you can certainly do it. Put your stop like below today's intraday low. The problem with that is, candidly, you're probably going to get stopped out. Stock's been trading on lower than average volume, which means you can get some intraday volatility that you wouldn't get when the stock is more liquid. And so my suggestion is, I think you should watch this stock for a day or two. For most of you, you probably haven't been looking at this chart. I haven't been looking at this stock. So watch it for a day or two. Don't just jump in tomorrow because Dan says to. A lot of my trade ideas don't work out. A lot of them do. Unfortunately, if I knew the difference between the two, I would only tell you about the ones that work out. Sadly, that's not the case for you or for me. So we just do the best we can with what we've got to work with. Set your risk limit. Wait, watch this stock. Wait to see if I'm correct that this stock's going to be moving higher, then that's when you start making your money, okay? Guys, that's all I got for you. I will see you next time.